Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser, and then evenly apply toner. Single control mode. Rotation direction, forward. Time, 10 minutes. Rotate speed, 3rd level. Memory mode, M1, default. Apply massage cream to the treatment area and spread it evenly. Move the handle on the 3 areas of the face. Move it upward on the chin, from the middle of the face to the side on the cheeks, and upward to the hairline on the forehead. Repeat on the other side. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, eye cream, and facial cream. It is recommended to have 1 to 2 sessions per week, and a complete course of treatment includes 12 sessions. Contraindications: women in the period of pregnancy or lactation, people with heart disease or pacemaker, people with unhealed wounds from surgery or in the recovery period, people suffering from epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism, or malignant tumors, people suffering from skin disease or infectious disease.